Hello and welcome to Bali. At Bali Villa Co., we bring you exquisitely decorated villas by one of Bali's best villa designers. We were established in 2006 and are recognized as one of the most trusted accommodation businesses. Now, let's say you're in your designer villa and the electric has gone out or the meter is beeping. This means you need to top up your electricity credit. Let's show you how to get this taken care of. Step 1. Find your meter. Somewhere in your villa, likely near the front, there will be an electric meter and circuit breaker box. You'll need to find this. If your credit is already low, then you'll hear a beeping noise. Once you've located the meter, get the reference number. You will need this in order to top up your credit. Step 2. Buy the credit. Once you've got the reference number for your electric meter, you have a few options to purchase credit. One option is to buy from either Gojek or Grab, which are similar to Uber. If you're on Grab, as seen here, you'll find this under Pulsa and Bills, which will take you to the top-up section, where you'll see Token Lister. You can make the purchase there if you have saved a credit card as a payment method in Grab. Please note the token number. You will need this later. The other option is to go to a nearby Circle K, Indomaret, or Mini Mart to make the purchase. You will get a printed receipt. Again, please note the token number, as you will need this in the next step. One last point. Regardless of where you purchase, whether on one of the apps or at one of the shops, it is likely that you will not be able to do so between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. because of the electric company's payment systems. Step 3. Enter the token. Once you've got the token code, enter it into your meter and press the reverse arrow or return key. The one you see here on the bottom right is a red button, but colors may vary. If you make a mistake, the back arrow is how you delete. This is seen here in blue in the lower left. Again, colors may vary. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information on holiday rentals, long-term rentals, and investment properties, find us on Instagram at Bali Villa Co. and on Facebook at Bali Accommodation by Bali Villa Co.